Do you trust the output of your data platform, and does it provide value to your end users?
Is it difficult for you to develop new features and get them into production?
Are you finding it difficult to monitor and maintain your data platform as the number of dependencies keeps growing?
If any of these questions resonate with you, then come to our training day where we'll show you how DataOps can transform your solution in the Microsoft Cloud.
So DataOps is DevOps for data. Whatever platform you're using, be it Synapse, Fabric, Databricks, or SQL databases, DataOps provides a set of guiding principles that helps you deliver with confidence and efficiency. So more specifically then, Barry, what are the types of topics we're going to cover?
We're going to start with one of my favorites, Ed. Data validation and testing will show you proven methods to build confidence in your data.
We'll then move on to efficient data pipeline design, talking about being metadata-driven and covering concepts such as repeatability and idempotency.
Then we'll talk about how to build optimal developer experience using modern tools and services.
We'll cover automated deployments of both your workload and infrastructure in common services such as Azure DevOps and GitHub.
And we'll show you how to incorporate monitoring, observability, and alerting into your pipeline so you can be the first to know about any issues.
And of course, we'll integrate security and governance concepts throughout the topics and show some common patterns and tools to help supervise your data estate.
So please join us at our pre-con training day on the 19th of March at SQLBits 2024.